The secret to building wealth is to buy assets and avoid liabilities. An asset is something that can generate cash flow for you, meaning it can make money on its own, even without your active involvement. They keep producing income, allowing your wealth to grow steadily. They have the potential to appreciate over time, creating value and wealth for their owner. Some common examples of assets include real estate properties that generate rental income and stocks that pay dividends. At least, that's what millionaires will tell you. 65% of them have at least 3 income streams, and nearly 1/3 have 5 or more income streams. So if you're still tied to your day job and you're serious about reaching financial freedom, then forget about fancy cars, expensive jewelry, and luxuries for now. Instead, focus on something more powerful like income-producing assets. Today in this video, I will be sharing with you top 5 assets that can help you build wealth. So without further ado, let's start this video. Number 1 in our list is real estate. Many of the multimillionaires who have amassed significant wealth and achieved financial success have done so through strategic investments in real estate, or by preserving and growing their wealth through real estate holdings. Real estate investing may not make you wealthy overnight, but it can add zeros to your net worth in a shorter time frame than many other traditional investments. Let me explain. For example, buying a property that needs some work at a low price, making smart renovations to improve its value, and then selling it for a higher price can give you a significant windfall if you do it correctly. This process is called house flipping and is largely a math game, and significant profits can be made by those willing to take on the challenge. You can also invest in multi-family properties. This means purchasing buildings with multiple rental units like apartments or condos, which can generate significant monthly cash flow from rental income. This cash flow can be saved and reinvested into more deals, creating a domino effect that will allow you to exponentially grow your real estate portfolio. Franklin D. Roosevelt says that real estate cannot be lost or stolen, nor can it be carried away. Purchased with common sense, paid for in full, and managed with reasonable care, it is about the safest investment in the world. Second in our list is precious metals. One commodity that's recently catching a lot of attention is precious metals. Specifically, many investors are looking for ways to invest in gold as it's been a currency for thousands of years. Gold has industrial uses as well, including electronics and jewelry. But precious metal bullion such as coins and bars are going to be your most stable investment options. Silver, platinum, and palladium investments are also popular, but their commodity prices can be more volatile than gold. These metals have many industrial uses in addition to currency. A slump in industry demand can cause these prices to crash. Owning tiny positions in several precious metals can diversify your portfolio and can help you build wealth over time. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, says, "Commodities are a great investment if you know when to get in and when to get out and have the guts to do it." Number 3 is REITs. Real estate investment trusts are an indirect way to invest in real estate because you can invest in real estate without owning it yourself. Instead, you buy shares of a real estate company that owns commercial or residential real estate. The real estate company owns and manages the properties while investors earn the profits from monthly income and the capital gains from selling the properties. Investors don't have to make property decisions, everything is left to the real estate company. You can choose publicly traded or private REITs, but private REITs are highly illiquid, so don't invest the money you need soon. You can purchase REITs on crowdfunding sites like Realty Mogul. They have a $5,000 minimum investment, an annual distribution rate of 6%, and monthly distributions. Sam Zell, American real estate billionaire investor, says, "Investing in real estate is a great idea for most people. But if you're a passive investor, putting your money into real estate through a REIT is probably the way to go." Number 4 is cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Cryptocurrencies have been the talk of the town for a few years now, with people making some serious money investing in them. There are a lot of key benefits of investing in cryptocurrency. Firstly, cryptocurrencies have seen significant growth in the past, allowing early investors to make large profits. The price of Bitcoin in 2014 was just $320, and now in 2023 it has been traded for over $26,000, which shows the growth of the crypto over time. Another great benefit of investing in crypto is its accessibility and security. Investors just need a computer or a smartphone with an internet connection to use cryptocurrency. There's no identification verification, credit check, or background to open a cryptocurrency wallet. It is way faster and easier compared to old financial institutions. All the transactions are secured by the blockchain system along with a scattered network of computers that verify the transactions. Peter Thiel says, "I do think Bitcoin is the first encrypted money that has the potential to do something like change the world." Number 5 is invest in yourself. Last but not least, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether it's taking care of your health, learning a new skill, or developing your talents, investing in yourself is key to personal growth and success. By taking care of your mental and physical well-being, you will be able to perform better in all aspects of your life. Investing in yourself is not a one-time thing, but a continuous process that requires dedication, motivation, and hard work. You can invest in yourself by attending workshops, conferences, and networking events that can help you acquire knowledge and skills that are relevant to your chosen profession. You can also start reading books, watching educational videos, and subscribing to online courses that can further enhance your skills and expertise. This will help you reach your goals and thrive better in life. Warren Buffett says the best investment you can make is in your own abilities. So there you have it, top 5 assets that can help you build wealth. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.